Hey everybody, my name is Mel Craig and today I want to talk to you about our 5-day Master Certification Training Program. Now whether you're just getting started or you're an industry veteran, our training program will be the best investment you could make for your future in car care. Now we all know running a business isn't easy. If it was, everyone would do it and there wouldn't be any money in it. So a very important segment of your 5-day training is actually how to run a successful car care business, because running it like a business is how a business should be run. Now, all of our trainings are held in a real working shop under real working conditions. And guess what? You're being trained by me, a global leader and master trainer for now almost 50 years. From interior to exterior, top to bottom and inside and out, to our advanced paint correction and paint protection systems, you're going to learn everything you need to succeed in the automotive appearance industry. For more information or any questions you have, by all means, send us an email or give us a call, and one of our detail specialists will get you everything you're looking for. And by the way, don't forget to pay attention to the details. This is Mel Craig. I'm out.